Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video we're going to be talking about eyelashes. So the reason for this video pretty much is I see Lashify advertised everywhere. Like I see it constantly. It's all over the place. And I've looked into it before and I didn't like the idea because the idea is they're the ones that go underneath your lashes, your natural lashes. And they say that you wear them for like, I don't know, it's like up to 2 weeks or something like that. I can't actually remember. I've got it up on my phone just so that I can see. And I don't like that idea because I am a lash tech, and if you're bonding that many lashes together, all of those lashes grow at different rates. If you're wearing them for a couple of weeks, it can potentially cause lash damage. So the idea of a individual lash extension is it's attached to one of your lashes. Now, if you want to get right into it, and the people that say that lash extensions damage your lashes, one of the reasons that they can damage your lashes is pretty much because they bond to more than one of your lashes because the lash tech hasn't been careful enough. That's why I didn't like them. Anyway, the control kit for Lashify is $145. So I was like, nah, I'm sorry, it's not worth that. That's just a bit ridiculous. So I then seen this pop up. This is the Kiss version of it. You can get it in Superdrug, but basically it's the same idea. Now, they do sell a kit which is £24, I believe, or £25, but when I ordered it, weeks went by and it never ever got sent out because they said they were out of stock. So I bought the lashes, the little pair of tweezers, and the bond individually. Same thing as the kit, it just cost me a little bit more, and I've got the remover here as well. So we're going to try this out today and see how we go, because this is way cheaper than the other one. And I figure if this works and they can do it for this price, then the other stuff is just massively overpriced. If you enjoy this video, obviously I would love if you would get a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, but let's just pray for me and let's just get started. Okay, so we're all up close and personal now. Hello. I am going to try my hardest to be able to do this. So I've got my big mirror down here. I got a new mirror. I'm going to take my old mirror back over because it's like this kind of swivelly one. That's where we want to be. Okay, so I am in really tight just now. We're going to open up all these packages. Okay, so we have the bond. On one side it's the bond, the other side it's the seal. We have the little tweezy weezers, and we have these little doodads. So I'm going to quickly read through the instructions. So you apparently put on the bond, then apply the wisps, and then the seal portion of it actually takes the stickiness away, so it's going to stay sticky the entire time. That's what the teeny little mascara wand looks like. Okay, so that's one. I don't know if you could even see me do that. It's kind of awkward to do it and show you. Okay, so I'm on the last one, and there is one that's slightly shorter, but it looks like slightly wider as well. And we're going to try putting this one on the inner corner. And now I'm going to try the seal. I made a bit of a boo-boo with the second one. It's still got a little bit of the glue that was holding it in the packet on it, and it keeps attaching to the tweezers. But apart from that, I mean, they're really light. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and I'll try and get it on camera as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you them kind of up close like this. I'm just going to do that so you can see a little bit better. I mean, they are beautiful. So if you get really nitpicky and get right in at them, you can see that it's lots of little lashes rather than, you know, being all one lash sort of thing. I've got 2 left there. I know that you can take these off and reuse them because there's not a lot of glue used to hold them on. This side I definitely didn't do as good a job. But I can feel this side. I can't feel this side at all. It's so strange. Like, as far as, like, if I was going out somewhere and I wanted really lightweight lashes that I didn't have to worry about. We'll see how, I mean, I'll probably wear them. It's like 5:30 just now, so I'm not going to get to wear them for very long, but I'll probably wear it, like, I'll have my dinner and stuff like that, and I'll keep them on, and I'll take them off a wee bit later on. I know I will come back, because I'll come back and we'll do the removal together. I'll at least keep them on for a couple of hours, and I'll just go about my day, the rest of my day. Application isn't as hard as I thought it would be. I think if you struggle with eyesight, it might be a little bit tricky because you're trying to get it sort of as close as you can to your waterline, but not on it. This is going to be really weird, but I'm just going to show you the difference. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Right, so there we go. You can see that side there. It's actually really quite neat, and I'm quite impressed with it. As opposed to this side, where you see how you can see that they're just not all lined up properly. And that can happen. And I would take them off and put them back on, but I want to see, oh, I'm blurry, hi. I would take them off and put them back on, but I want to see if that really makes much of a difference. It definitely, with feeling, I can feel this side, like I can feel it. It's not irritating me, but I can feel it. This side, it doesn't even feel like there's lashes there. I don't get it. I don't understand it at all. Unless I'm stupid. Somebody please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It doesn't say how long you're to wear these for, so I would say that these are daily lashes. I wouldn't say sleep in these. And this is the kind of idea that I much prefer. This is dead fast, dead easy, really lightweight, really nice, really natural. I really hope that they come out with lots of different ones of these. Or, I mean, you could get this kit and buy from Lashify if you wanted to. It's just, I think that the price for their kit is astronomical. It's absolutely outrageous for... There's no way it should cost that much, and that's why I've never bought it, because the system, I think, on a day-to-day basis would be really good, just like this one. If you were wearing it on a day-to-day, you got really good at it, really quick at it, instead of banging on a lash, you could just stick those on every single day and wear them, you know, like not every single day, but every day you wanted to wear them, and they'd be really, really good. But that's not how they advertise them. Yeah, no, I think that this is a fantastic alternative for that. If you like the idea of Lashify, like I like the idea of it, but you don't like the price and you don't like the fact that they say to keep them on for days and days and days, then this is a really good alternative. Like I say, I'm annoyed with this eye, but I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to stop looking at it. So I want to show you the proper sort of finished. I mean, they do just look like, not mascara. I wouldn't say it looks like mascara. I would say it looks like what they try and pass off mascara looks like when they do mascara adverts. That's what this looks like. Like I say, I will come back and show you what removal is like. So far, I like. I do. I do like them. I might be converted. Okay, I'm back. I'm so tired. It is 8:05, so what was that, 5:30? 2.5 hours with these lashes on. They haven't really bugged me. I mean, it feels weird, like I can see them, but they haven't really annoyed me or anything like that. But with the way I've put them on, some of them, like, so the corners of them aren't really stuck down how I want them to be, like they're not fully stuck on, but I think with a little bit of practice you'd be able to kind of, you know, get them stuck down properly. But it hasn't caused any problems. I think because they're such little lashes, you could get away with it because you're not pulling on them or anything like that. I wonder if I can show you. Zoom right in. I don't know if you can see, like, this lash here. It's just the very edge of it's off, but that's because I was pulling at that one because I'd left a little bit of glue on it. And this side doesn't seem as stuck down because they're not, well, no, I don't know actually. It's still quite well stuck down, but they're not quite as kind of seamless as the other ones are. Just try tugging at them. I don't want to pull them off, but I just want to give them a little, I mean, you can see sort of like how much I can pull my eye out. So I do think they would pull off, but I'm not going to because I want to use the remover. But I mean, you can see how much I can actually lift my whole eyelid out with them. So I mean, they are really well stuck down. I do think if I pulled harder they would come off, but we're going to try this. I've got a cotton bud and I'm going to have a cotton pad as well. And we're just going to try the two different methods. It does say use a cotton pad, but I think if you wanted to not disrupt the rest of your makeup, you could probably take them off with a cotton bud. So I think you're using a lot of the remover here as well. So I'm going to do this side with the cotton pad. I'm just going to hold it on. It feels to me like it's an oily sort of remover. Three of them off already, there's just the one left. Well, that was easy. But like I say, it's disrupted the rest of my makeup. It's a good makeup remover too. So on this side, and I'm just sort of wiggling it where they're bonded to my lashes. Like that. Okay, that was dead easy. And I have all my lashes. Like I say, this eye there's now no makeup on, and this eye, it hasn't really touched it at all. So if you were wearing them for something and you wanted to take them off and do something else, or you wanted to take them off and reapply them, you can actually do it without disrupting your makeup. So say you put them on wrong and you wanted to take them off and readjust them, you could just get a cotton bud and just wiggle it off from the bottom. I would obviously say then take the cotton bud again in some non-oily makeup remover and kind of clean like underneath your lashes just to get rid of any oily residue. But yeah, it works, and I mean that bottle's gonna last ages. I don't see that there's any residue left on the lashes, because even if you're wearing mascara, you're doing the mascara first, then you're putting the lashes on, and then that way, you know, you're not having to put mascara over the top of the lashes. So yeah, that is it for this video. Obviously, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos like this, let me know, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next one. Bye!